Hello, today I have an exercise for you for your upper arms. I am Christina Raven and I'm an osteopath and cranial osteopath, and I'm shooting this in my treatment room at home in Hertfordshire. So deltoid raises, very simple, just raising your arms, your elbows out to your side and down. So you're kind of pushing outwards and you're also pushing as if back in, a bit like pumping bellows underneath your arms, or playing the bagpipes. That's a great kind of image to have. So that's it. It's very, very simple, and it's very good for strengthening these outer muscles. The deltoids are kind of almost like the shoulder cap of your upper arm, and they're what give you the definition that comes down. Can't really see it on my arm so much in this lighting, but yeah, that is going to give that bit of definition, the shapeliness to your shoulder. So yeah, just kind of doing a few of those, maybe while you're waiting for the kettle to boil. Stretching this part of the arm. This is probably quite a nice one. So just bringing your arm across, and you can feel a bit of stretch through that upper part of the back. And if you want to make the stretch a little bit stronger, then you can push your arm, the arm that's being stretched, into your restraining hand, and that by working the muscle and then relaxing it, that allows it to stretch a bit more. But careful with that one. That can be, you don't want to overstretch and overstrain your shoulder. So all very slow, very gentle, not forcing anything. So I'm just gently pushing that part of my arm into the palm of my hand and relaxing it and just taking it a bit further. So that's quite nice. So deltoid raises, pushing outwards and pushing in towards you, and then a gentle stretch. I'm posting this to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to subscribe, there is a subscribe button in one of the corners, depending on which way around this has come. And I shall see you again soon with some more exercises and cooking ideas, healthy eating, recipes, experiments from my kitchen. I'll see you soon. Many thanks. Stay well. Bye now.